How is his Italian?
Prego si fermi ad ascoltare. That means, please stop and listen.
No. No, it doesn't. Okay, there is so much here that I'll probably have to divide this video. This is part of a famous two-episode episode of The Simpsons, in which they go to Italy, and there is a lot to say. Even just in this sentence. Okay, the first word that Milhouse says is prego. Prego is actually mostly used as you're welcome, as in thank you, you're welcome. Grazie, prego. It can be used as please, but it's not that common anymore, and it's a bit too formal. Talking about formal, I think whoever translated the episode made a pretty common mistake among non-Italian speakers. In Italian we have two ways to say you. One is informal, tu. The other one is formal, lei. Lei also means she. Basically, if we address someone formally, we say she is, but we mean you are formally. Another important thing to know to understand this clip is that in Italian we conjugate verbs. It means that we change them depending on various situations. One of those ways is used to give orders or commands or to make requests, even polite requests. So when Milhouse says si fermi, what he actually means is fermati. So he is using the imperativo, which is the way we conjugate verb to give commands, but he's doing it as if he was talking formally to Lisa, not informally.